This is my PVC storage. I kept it side by side because there are a lot of different type of PVC fittings. If we don't keep it side by side properly, we will take time to find them. So try to keep it side by side and prepare it. For example, this it is 100 by 40, so we keep it like this, and then this one 100 multiple by the brand is 50/50, so we keep it step by step, and like step 1 is 160 step by step in all the fitting, because we have a lot of like the cover fitting and the socket fitting. Yes, this is a good idea, so please keep all the items side by side, and then you can easily find